Microsoft. Intelligent supply chain. How can I optimize operations to better manage my customer and costs? How can I better predict demand and adapt to events and changing customer needs? How can I determine optimal inventory levels and decrease waste? How can I leverage intelligent business applications and connected systems to automate and accelerate my supply chain? By replacing complexity with intelligence and autonomy, and by using sensors, networks, and ambient intelligence to create smarter supply chains. Coordinate suppliers, your own manufacturing and contract manufacturers, and logistics providers by leveraging multi-enterprise collaboration tools that understand your supply chain network. Microsoft provides innovative technology solutions that unlock new opportunities and move manufacturing from a reactive to a proactive production model, simplifying the delivery of complex product portfolios and services, ensuring inventory is on pace with orders, and increasing order fill rate. Anya is the VP of Supply Chain for a high-performance industrial equipment business. Everything about her business is big, so she needs more than a little help streamlining it by implementing a connected, intelligent supply chain system. Anya's supply chain network is powered by Microsoft Azure, Microsoft Office 365, and Microsoft Dynamics 365 for finance and operations. Anya can keep up with the new speed of business by integrating digital factories with intelligent supply chains to increase agility and reduce waste. And she doesn't have to worry about reliability because her factory now includes IoT smart monitoring devices. So, when maintenance is required, technicians are automatically dispatched before problems occur, not after. Equipped with HoloLens, Anya's technicians can also quickly fix unique problems with live assistance from a product expert. Bottom line, Anya is no longer in the business of working harder. She's working smarter. Her company is transforming into a more effective and competitive business. Caterpillar has done the same thing with their supply chain. Following 5 years of downturn in the industrial manufacturing industry, business is picking back up after their partnership with O9 Solutions, despite having an increase in supply chain complexity. Increased efficiency from Microsoft has reduced their inventory costs by 10 to 15% in 1 year in North America alone. Once implemented worldwide, they estimate another 10 to 20% reduction. On top of that, they estimate that their scrap costs will drop a minimum of 20 to 30%. They've also improved their customer experience by putting their order fulfill rate at 99.5%. Microsoft empowers manufacturers to create truly intelligent supply chains that leverage sensors, automation, and AI to keep all stakeholders and systems optimized for customer service and to meet cost-to-serve goals. We also optimize and extend digital factories, asset operation, and supply chain execution. Manufacturing a better future. Microsoft.